Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 10. In today's class we are going to study the next type of chemical reaction, and along with that we are going to study 3 questions from this chapter. We are going to study the next type of question with the help of these two chemical reaction example. The first chemical reaction example that I have written on the board, you can see, is that the HCl in aqueous solution, which is the aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid, is reacting with NaOH in aqueous solution, which is nothing but the aqueous solution of NaOH. And the product that is being formed after these two after these two react with each other is water, H2O liquid water, and NaCl in aqueous solution, sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Now, if I study individually all of them, HCl and hydrochloric acid, we all know aqueous solution of HCl, aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid is acid. Aqueous solution of sodium hydroxides are nothing but base. So, I have taken 2 reactants. Out of those 2 reactants, one of them is acid and the other one is a base. So an acid is reacting with a base to produce a 2 different product. One of them is liquid water and another one of them is the salt of that acid and base. Now how this salt is being formed? This Na is in this base and this chloride from this acid are combined together to form the corresponding salt of this acid and base. Now let's look at the second example. In the second example, I have taken aqueous solution of H2SO4, which is nothing but the aqueous solution of hydrogen sulfate. And I am reacting this thing with the aqueous solution of KOH, which is nothing but the aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide. And these two are reacting to form this similar type of product. One is liquid water and alongside a K2SO4 salt, potassium sulfate salt of these two products. Out of these two, H2SO4 is acid and KOH is base. So again an acid, 2 reactant we have taken, we are studying, and out of those 2 reactant, one is acid and another one KOH is base. So acid and base is reacting with each other to produce salt and water. The salt that is being produced is coming from the combination of the potassium and sulfate SO4 from this acid and base. When you take acid in a test tube and base in another test tube, the solution, the medium in the test tube 1 is acidic in nature, in test tube B is basic in nature, normal, as usual, because we are taking an acid and base. But when you are mixing both the test tube in a third test tube, you will find that they both will react and they will form water and the salt. They are salt of the corresponding acid and salt. Therefore, in the third beaker, after the reaction, there will be there will not going to be any existence of neither acidic property nor the basic property of the acid and the base that had reacted. So the complete neutralization of the acidic character and the basic character can be observed due to this reaction. That's why this kind of reaction is known as neutralization reaction, where an acid and base react together to form a salt of the corresponding acid and base and water, liquid water in the chemical reaction.